Our mission here is to bring the world of technical computing to the cloud. What that is that nowadays a lot of engineering applications require like high power computers and CPUs to perform their applications. And we understand that not everybody can afford them. So for example, a student in a university wouldn't want to spend like $2,000–3,000 in a CPU. What they would do with our initiative is to log into our web page and remotely run their applications. That way they will also save money, and they will only be using the software when they need it. When they don't need it, the space, the slots will be available for other students to join in.
And how is RedEddy different from other cloud computing technologies?
Well, there's a lot of cloud computing technology nowadays, but most of it is based around like social and emailing and networking. What we do is focus on engineering and science, and that's a different field on its own. Because before, since the 70s, NASA and these kind of big corporations have created a software that has remained the same till nowadays. And we know that this needs a shift, this needs improvement, this needs upgrading, and that's what we're doing. So we don't really have anything else to do with the rest of the cloud computing that is around there.
And who's your target audience?
Our target audience initially is going to be students in undergrad up to PhDs, because that's the audience that really needs it more. Because, as we said, we are looking for somebody that doesn't have the resources to pay for like the expensive licenses of current commercial packages and also the computer power that they need. So with that, we'll provide them what they need just for the time they need it.
And do you plan to break into the corporate space as well?
Yes, that's the time frame for the future. Once these students become corporate workers, 4–6 years after they start their undergrad studies, they will be in a corporation, and the corporation will know that the software they know is the one we give them from the beginning. That way, they will be like, okay, do we pay for a former old commercial package that nobody knows anymore, or for what they know now and we don't have to teach them or train them anymore? That's the idea.